In this video, we're making this simple and delicious tomato egg drop curry that I grew up eating and have loved so much. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. So first, you're going to heat some oil in a pan. Then add in the green chilies and fry them for about a minute. Then add in the onion and again fry this for about 2 minutes till it's translucent. Now add the tomatoes and mix them in. Also add in salt to taste. I used about 3/4 teaspoon and then mix that in. And cover and cook on low flame for about 5 minutes till the tomato is soft. Then add in the ginger garlic paste of using and mix that in and cook for 2 minutes. Then add in the turmeric powder, mix it in, and mix in the hot water as well. Add in the garam masala if using and mix it in as well. And let the curry come to a boil on medium flame. Once the curry has come to a boil, you're going to add in the eggs. I'm using 3 eggs here. And then cover and cook on low flame for about 5 to 6 minutes till the eggs are cooked. And you can release them so that they're not stuck to the bottom of the pan. Finally, top with some coriander leaves. And let cook for another minute or 2. And that's it, your egg curry is ready and you can serve this hot with some rice or bread and enjoy. Subscribe to stay up to date with new recipes and hit the notification bell to be informed whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you soon with a new one. Bye!